Hi, this is Derek from AlphaHub, and I'm here to show you how to use the platform to make trades. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make an account and subscribe to an algorithm. If you haven't done that yet, I have another video showing you how to do that. So in this case, we're going to take a look at this, the Minotaur 1 stock. Now, every day I know that the Minotaur 1 stock is going to come in at about 10:30 Eastern or 7:30 Pacific where I am. So right around now I'm going to come to the page and I'm going to wait for the signals to update. You should see a notification when that happens. It sometimes takes up to a minute for it to happen, and you can see the notification right there. New signals available, please refresh the page to view them. So I'm going to refresh. I see two signals here from today. So let's talk about these signals a little bit. There are a few important pieces of information to see. So the first one is this position indicator, to close or to open. Occasionally there will be a hold there, which means you don't do anything. To close only applies if you have this position already open. So in my trading window over here, I'm using Alpaca. You can see that I already have Starbucks position from last week. When I first did this trade, you can see that the position from the previous day is Starbucks open. So I'm going to close that position from yesterday. Also, gives you a percentage gain if you had that position open and what you made from it. It tells you what type of trade to make, either sell or buy, and the price you should sell or buy that position at. So for the purposes of this, I'm just going to put in a close order for my Starbucks position of 76.44, and in this case it's telling me to open by buying, so opening a long position on ADSK at 231.13. So I'm going to put both of those orders in now over here. So let's do a sell order SVUX. It's going to be a limit order 76.33. We're going to sell all of our shares. So let's go ahead and place that order. And now I'm going to place my buy order. Let's review ADSK. 231.33. We're going to do a limit order, and we're going to do, well, let's see, it's probably going to, we want to do about 15K of these. So let's go for 50, 50, 60, 70, 65, 64. Okay, that'll do it. And then let's just make sure 231.13. Okay, misinput there. Review order. We're going to confirm. Looks like the limit order got immediately filled and our Starbucks order got filled. Perfect. So that's exactly how you do the daily trading. Now, looking at a more complicated example, this was only dealing with longs. Sometimes the algorithms will also tell you to make shorts. So in Minotaur 3 over here, there's a more complicated example where there are 3 open positions every day and 3 closed from the previous day. So you can see in our open positions here, it's telling you open sell. That means you want to open a short position. So in this case, I would open a short position in HSIC, short position in AAL, and a long position in MELI. Now sometimes your trading platform might not allow you to do shorts. That's okay, just follow the algorithm as closely as you can, and as always, use your own intuition or trading skills to pull out of trades accordingly, depending on the market performance and how things are going. So that's it. Hope this was informative. If you're interested in doing this programmatically instead of via the website, there will be another video about that eventually coming up. So hope this was helpful, and good luck.